2012 CT200H. The Lexus CT200 Hybrid pairs exceptional fuel efficiency and superior handling ability with aggressive styling to create a luxury hybrid vehicle that looks great and handles even better. Going green never felt and looked so good and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, fog lights, power windows, security system, brake assist, intermittent wipers, overhead console, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, power driver seat, front reading lamps. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.